Video number 245, decimals and percents. A percent is definitely a fraction where the denominator is a 100, which also means that basically a percent is a way of dividing something into 100 pieces and then counting how many pieces you have. That's basically what a percent is. So let's go ahead and write the following as a percent. If you have 3 out of 100, 80 out of 100, 9/10 of 100, and then 823 over 100. Well, pretty easy. Since the definition of a percent is a fraction out of 100, 3 out of 100 is 3%. And then 80 out of 100 is 80%. It's that simple. 0.9 or 9/10 would be 9/10 of a percent. So 0.9%, 9/10 of 1%. And then 823 out of 100, 823%. Very simple. 823% means 8 times the amount. Okay? Write the following as a decimal. So now we're going to take the percents and rewrite them back as a decimal. So we have 12%, 8.5%, 5/100ths of a percent, and 1200%. So here we are. And 12% means what? 12 out of 100. And what does 12 out of 100 mean? It means 12/100ths. So therefore there's a 2 in the second position after the decimal. So 12 over 100 equals 12/100ths. 8.5% means 8.5 over 100. That means you're going to have an 8 in the 100ths position. So it's 8.5 100ths. So 0.085. 0.05%, or in other words, 5/100ths of a percent, means you're going to have a 0.05 out of 100. So that means you're going to move the decimal over 2 places just like we have done the previous 2. So what you do is you summarize here. You move the decimal over twice. Move the decimal over twice. Move the decimal to the left twice, which means you already have 1 0. So now you have what? 2 more zeros. So therefore you have 0.0005. So that would be 5, what is that? 5/10,000ths. Okay? And think about it. If you already have you have 5/100ths of a percent, well, what does a percent do? It divides something into 100 pieces. Well, this is already dividing a whole number into 100 pieces. So you're dividing it into 10,000 pieces. So that's why you have 5/10,000ths. Next one, 1200% means 1200 over 100, which is exactly 12. So this is the relationship between percents and decimals, and here you have it. Good times.